Musamseleku and Mayeni, they love each other than other wives. Musamseleku, he can't be in love with those 5 wives at the same time. But other wives are helping Musamseleku to grow the family. They are giving him kids. Other, they are growing his business. So sometimes women, we have to be careful when you are getting married on polygamy Istanbul. Because when you find that your husband is being in love with one woman, all of you are being used, like Mangwabe. Mangwabe found out later that Musamseleku, he is much in love with Mayeni, especially Macele. Macele thinks that she was too special at the first time, but Macele found out that Musamseleku, he can't live without Mayeni. So sometimes they open their eyes, especially Makumalo and Mangwabe. That's why you see nowadays they are doing their things with their own. Especially Musamseleku, what he said to Makumalo. He said Makumalo, she failed what she's supposed to do. Imagine, guys, your husband is said it on television. What about Makumalo's family? They are saying about their daughter. So sometimes to be in polygamy, guys, you can be used. It's better to have your husband alone. I think it's better because the other are being used. Macele is better. Macele chose not to go to work and she is enjoying Musamseleku's money. Even Musamseleku, he is not much in love with Macele, but they have got a bond. Why Musamseleku, he is pretending like he loves Macele because Macele understand Musamseleku better than Mayeni, but Musamseleku enjoys to be with Mayeni. But look at Mayeni, the type of person she is. Mayeni always being in angry, or her BP is always being in high. That's why Musamseleku doesn't enjoy to be with Mayeni. He can choose that it's better to be with Macele because he is always being happy with Macele. Macele gives him peace of mind. You know that Musamseleku knows the purpose of his wives. He knows that when it comes to Makumalo, she is always hands-on. When he asks a help to Makumalo, it's about a business issue or maybe he want to have an event. Makumalo can do things very quick, and she is doing it with her all heart. Guys, women, we are being used. Guys, I don't understand sometimes. Makumalo was being used to raise business on Musamseleku's family, but Musamseleku told people on television that Makumalo, she failed what she's supposed to do. Makumalo was happy that Musamseleku accept her condition that she doesn't have kids, but Musamseleku was not happy that Makumalo doesn't have kids because Makumalo was understanding that Musamseleku loves her even with their condition, but it's not like that. Musamseleku started showing his true colors on Makumalo on season 8 because he bring Makwela and he started saying those words. So sometimes, guys, we have to know our purpose to be on Istanbul. When you don't care that your husband loves you, you want to benefit, it's better that your husband doesn't love you, but you are benefiting. He is buying you a car, a luxury house, what he is giving you money. I think it's better if he doesn't love you. Like Makumalo is not benefiting anything on that Istanbul now. You understand? Macele is better. Macele is benefiting because it's difficult to get a husband who can buy you a house, a car. She is eating anything she wants. It's better. But Musamseleku, he is much in love with Mayeni than other wives. Mangwabe found out, guys. Mangwabe, she is too quiet. But Mangwabe knows because at that time Musamseleku, he bring Mangwabe. Mangwabe doesn't not know Musamseleku's true colors, that he is not much in love with her. He wants to use her to have got kids only, but Musamseleku, he is much in love with Mayeni. You can see it the way they are doing. Even Makumalo, I'm glad now Makumalo, she knows that Musamseleku was not in love with her. Makumalo thinks all the time when they are planning things with Musamseleku loves her because he wants to use them. But Musamseleku, he is much in love with Mayeni only.